Hi guys! Welcome back to Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub. In this video, we are going to feature Moonleaf Tea Shop franchise business ideas. Moonleaf Tea Shop, an Asian tea brand, is one of the leading and fastest expanding milk tea brands in the Philippines, with over 80 branches placed in key locations nationwide. All tea shops are operated by Emerald Leaf Franchising Corporation or by its franchisees bound by franchise agreements. Moonleaf operations are strenuously designed to provide consistent and quality service in every branch. The 7-in-1 all-in package offered by the company is an extensive and comprehensive solution which includes a selection of powerful brands including Selecta, Ben & Jerry's, Magnum, GROM, Moonleaf Eats, Village Creamery, and Mr. Donut. Partnering with Moonleaf Tea Shop presents a unique opportunity for entrepreneurs to bring the essence of Taiwan to their local market. Comes with delivery apps. Have your store automatically added to the country's top food delivery service apps like Food Panda, GrabFood, and Picaroo. World-class products, exclusive premium ingredients from Taiwan, FDA accredited, consistent quality, and exciting seasonal products created by in-house chefs. For the Moonleaf products, Moonleaf franchise is a proudly homegrown brand that serves perfectly brewed milk tea drinks that made from the finest ingredients, crafted into delicious and refreshing drinks, bringing you good vibes in every cup. For the Pearl Milk Tea, they offer Winter Melon Milk Tea, Hakka Milk Tea, Jasmine Milk Tea, Moon Pearl Milk Tea, Okinawa Milk Tea, and Hokkaido Milk Tea. For the Winter Melon series, they offer Mango Black Tea with Winter Melon Cream, Winter Melon Tea with Salted Cream, Lychee Strawberry with Winter Melon Cream, and Winter Melon 2 Moons Milk Tea. For the Fruit Tea with Nata, they offer Honey, Lychee with Yakult, Lychee Nata, Strawberry, Passion Fruit, and Mango. For the Custard Milk Tea, they offer Banana Milk Tea, Caramel Milk Tea, Ube Milk Tea, and Thai Milk Tea. For the Premium with Pearls, they offer Brown Sugar Milk, Peppermint, Chocolate Banana, and Chocolate Peppermint. For the Salted Cream, they have Chocolate, Matcha, Strawberry, and Taro. For the Milk Slush, they offer Chocolate with Moon Pearls, Matcha Eggnog with Custard Pudding, Winter Melon with Moon Pearls, Strawberry with Nata, Ube with Custard Pudding. For coffee, they have Cafe Latte, Mocha Latte, and Hazelnut Latte. For the 5-piece Moonleaf Tea Shop brandy, number 1, Purpose. Moonleaf's Purpose began on October 3, 2010 in a small 16 square meter stall in Magiting Street, Quezon City. It started because of the belief of the founders that the milk tea industry has a promising future in the Philippines. They believe in the product and they believe milk tea fits the Filipino taste. Number 2, Publicity. Moonleaf is active and strategic in marketing its brand and products via social media. The consistent use of relaxing, nature-like colors in its materials already gives that calm and positivity that the customer is probably looking for. Number 3, Partnerships. Collaborations with Ben & Jerry's, Mr. Donut, Selecta, and more because they want their loyal customers to be happy by introducing more products. Partnerships with other brands are also very beneficial in providing more income streams to Moonleaf franchisees. Number 4, People. A business will not be successful without the people in and around it. Moonleaf's officials knew from the start that they should invest in internal talents and customer relationships in order to achieve their goals. Number 5. In the competitive milk tea industry, staying relevant is a must. They are always on the lookout for emerging trends to study, and they make sure to check out their competition as well. They release seasonal products to continuously excite the market. How to franchise Moonleaf Tea Shop? Submit the pre-qualification form and location proposal with the map. Once the application is assessed and approved, the franchise agreement signing and payment comes next. Store design, activation planning, and construction will commence in preparation for the grand opening of the branch in as fast as 2 to 3 weeks from signing the franchise agreement. For the profitable franchise package, the franchise fee is worth 200,000 to 300,000 pesos. The minimum space requirement is 4 square meters. To provide options to various entrepreneurs, Moonleaf currently offers 2 franchise formats: a kiosk store with a franchise package of 688,000 to 899,000 pesos, and for inline store with a franchise package of 899,000 to 1.6 million pesos. For the 360-degree support. For the preparation support, they provide site selection, equipment and opening assistance, and construction assistance. For the opening support, they provide training and recruitment, store opening activation, and online posting. For the post-launch support, they provide 6 months hand-holding, business review, and local marketing. Emerald Leaf Franchising Corporation is dedicated to the success of its franchise network. Therefore, each franchisee can expect consistent support from the head office. The advantages of franchising. Moonleaf Tea Shop offers numerous benefits for those looking to start their own milk tea business. One of the most significant advantages is the company's extensive menu of delicious and in-demand milk tea drinks. Moreover, Moonleaf's pandemic-resistant business model takes advantage of the surging popularity of food delivery services like Foodpanda, GrabFood, and Picaroo to reach a wider customer base. Additionally, Moonleaf provides ongoing support to franchisees to help them establish a strong customer base, run their business efficiently, and realize fast returns on their investment. With a tried and true business model, premium ingredients sourced from Taiwan, and a commitment to quality, franchisees can trust that they are making a wise decision by partnering with Moonleaf. For the contact details, you may contact Emerald Leaf Franchising Corporation with the address number 117 RCS Building, 3H Matatag Street, Diliman, Quezon City, 1100 Metro Manila. You may contact their mobile numbers 632-8634-0586, 632-8634-3717, 0920-983-0247, and 63917-881-699. You may send them an email at muc.operations.elfc@gmail.com, franchising@ufranchiseasia.com, and moonleafteashop@gmail.com. You can also visit their website at www.moonleaf.ph. For the frequently asked questions. Question number 1. What support will Moonleaf provide to the franchisee in hiring and training employees? Answer: starting a business can be a daunting task, but with Moonleaf Tea Shop as your partner, you can have the confidence and support to succeed. They offer a comprehensive support system with guidance on hiring and training staff for daily operations management and maintaining quality standards. Question number 2. Will Moonleaf Tea Shop help franchisees reach their target audience? Answer: platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter offer opportunities to showcase products, share promotions, and engage with customers. From training on how to effectively use social media, to providing tools and resources to aid in promotion, Moonleaf Tea Shop is committed to helping its franchisees reach their target audience and grow their business through social media. Question number 3. How to select the right location? Answer: choosing the right location is crucial for the success of a milk tea shop. It is important to consider factors such as accessibility, visibility, foot traffic, parking, and competition when making this decision. Moonleaf Tea Shop offers assistance to its franchisees in selecting the best location for their business, ensuring that they are set up for success from the start. Question number 4. Is the franchise in charge of sourcing the equipment? Answer: starting a milk tea business requires the right equipment to create delicious drinks for customers. Moonleaf Tea Shop understands this and has made it easy for franchisees by including all the equipment necessary to run a successful business in its comprehensive franchise package. With Moonleaf Tea Shop, there's no need to worry about the hassle and cost of sourcing and purchasing individual equipment. What are you waiting for? Start your business with a franchise of Moonleaf Tea Shop franchise business today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please continue to support our channel. Please subscribe, like, and share this video for you to be informed on our next educational videos here at Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub.